Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Tonjiru soup. Start by gathering pork, miso, dashi, konnyaku, daikon, carrot, burdock, and green onions and chop into bite-sized pieces. Heat a pot, sauté pork until lightly browned, add root vegetables and dashi, then simmer gently until tender. Dissolve miso in a ladle of hot broth and stir in, keeping the soup below a boil, then garnish and serve warm. Start with clean, fresh ingredients and measure roughly so flavors balance. Use about twice as much vegetable volume as pork by weight to keep texture hearty. Konnyaku adds chew and reduces oil, while tofu is optional for extra protein. Adjust miso to taste, adding less at first since you can always add more. Keep dashi simple with kombu and bonito, or use a quality instant dashi if short on time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, I want to recommend a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that really changed how some people think about money, funny, but useful when budgeting for good ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab it if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by sautéing thin pork pieces until they release some fat and color. Add firmer root vegetables first and pour in dashi so ingredients are covered. Simmer gently until vegetables are fork tender, usually 10 to 15 minutes depending on cut size. Remove a ladle of hot broth to dissolve miso, then reintegrate off the heat to preserve aroma. Warm the soup through briefly, adjust seasoning, and finish with sliced green onions for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.